Hello, I welcome you all to the last session, that is session number 22 on articles, and this is for BCom first semester basic English. In today's class, we shall discuss indefinite articles with examples. The learning objective for this session is to understand appropriate use of indefinite articles. Session outcome is to make you improve the use of articles. So, as you all know, articles are the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Articles are types of determiners. They determine whether a noun is specific or general. Then there are two types of articles in English. They are definite articles and indefinite articles. So definite article, the is the only definite article used in English. In the last session, we have discussed some rules about the usage of the. Then indefinite articles. So in English, we have two indefinite articles, a and an. So a and an are called indefinite articles. They are called indefinite because they are used to denote indefinite, that is non-specific or general place, person or thing. One more thing is a and an can be used only with countable nouns, and the choice between a and an depends upon the initial sound of the noun that follows. Means when we use a and an, we have to be very careful regarding the pronunciation of the noun, that is the sound, initial sound. So articles a and an are used to denote things which are non-specific. For example, he gave me a book. Here a book means not a particular book but any book. I purchased an umbrella yesterday. Here an umbrella means not any particular umbrella but any umbrella. Then articles a and an are used to denote one unit of a thing. For example, a pen. So here a pen means one pen, a box means one box, an egg means one egg, a kilogram means 1 kilogram. So here a pen is equivalent or equal to one pen. So here a is equal to 1 or a is equivalent to 1. That is what we call article a and an are used to denote one unit of a thing. Now we shall learn usage of article a. So article a is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a blackboard. So here blackboard is a singular noun because it is singular. Blackboards is plural. Then blackboard is a countable noun because we can count like one blackboard, two blackboards, three blackboards like this. And it begins with a consonant sound because when we pronounce this word, the initial sound is b sound, that is blackboard, b sound, and that is why it takes article a. Similarly, a tree. Here the initial sound is t sound. Tree is singular, tree is countable, sound is consonant, t sound. Similarly, in balloon we have b sound, in factory we have p sound, in young fellow we have y sound, and in collection we have k sound. So all these words have consonant sounds as their initial sounds, and that is why they do take article a. Then the usage of article a depends upon the sound and not upon the letter, because sometimes a word starts with a vowel but sound is that of a consonant. So let us be very careful here. The word starts with a vowel letter but sound is that of a consonant. In such cases, article A should be used. For example, a union. Here, union is a singular noun. Union is a countable noun, but it begins with a letter U, which is a vowel, but sound is Y sound, which is a consonant. So when we pronounce this word, initial sound is a consonant sound, union, Y sound. That is why it takes article A. Similarly, in university and unit also, we have consonant sound in the beginning. That is why they do take article A. Then use of article an. So article an is used before singular countable nouns that begin with vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an egg, an educational institution, an onion, an engineer, an injection, an umpire. So in all these words, initial sound is that of a vowel, that is vowel sound. Umbrella, a sound. Egg, a sound. Educational institution, a sound. Angle, again it is a sound. Onion, o sound. Injection, e sound. Umpire, a sound. So that is why they do take article an. Again, the usage of article an depends upon initial sound and not upon the letter. Sometimes it may happen that a word may start with a consonant, but it may have the sound of a vowel. In such cases, article an should be used. For example, an MLA, an MA, an MP. So letter is M here, but sound is a sound, that is MA, MLA, MP. That is why article an should be used. So let us have a recap. A and an are called indefinite articles. These articles are used before only singular countable nouns. These articles denote one unit of a thing. Then the choice between a and an depends upon the initial sound of the word and not upon the letter. And the last thing is, sometimes a word may begin with a consonant and have a vowel sound, or vice versa is also possible. So we have to be very careful with the use of or with the choice of a and an. Now let us have some questions. My brother is dash dash MA in English. The answer is an MA. The reason is the initial sound is a sound, MA. My friend works in dash dash engineering college. The answer is an engineering college. He is dash dash university professor. The answer is a university professor. The reason is, even if the word university begins with a vowel, its initial sound is a consonant sound, that is university, Y sound. This is dash dash girl whom I met yesterday. So this is the girl whom I met yesterday, because I am speaking about some particular girl. That is why it is the girl. And the last is, I purchased dash dash book last week. Dash dash book is very interesting. The answer is, I purchased a book last week, and the book is very interesting. So here it is the book because I am speaking about some particular book, or the same noun is referred again. That is why for the second time it takes article the. Thank you.